Hi, this is a short introductory video to what the shadow project is. So in this class, part of the requirements are that you're required to shadow exercise science or health science professional. What we mean by exercise science or health science professional is someone that works in things like athletic training, exercise science, sports management, um, K-12 or higher education, recreation like the YMCA or Boys and Girls Clubs or something, some sort of fitness professional, maybe a personal trainer, maybe a physical therapist. Somebody you want to pick somebody that is in a field that is of interest of you, because we're going to be using your shadow experience a little bit later in our culminating experience in this class with our signature assignment. All right. So what shadowing entails is basically you'll sign up with a professional, and it kind of looks different from place to place wherever you go. But basically, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be following a professional around and seeing what they do from day to day to see if it's something that you would be wanting to go into. So that's why it's important that you choose something that's of interest to you. Um, the step one of the shadow project is identifying who you're going to be working with. Step two of the shadow project is actually doing the shadow project. You're going to be doing some journals and keeping a timesheet with your professional. And then step three is reflecting back on the experience of itself. And so you can see that step two and step three are due a lot later in the course. Um, it's better to do it earlier if you can, rather than pushing it off, wait till the end. I know 10 hours doesn't sound like much, but if you wait till the end, it can feel overwhelming. So the step one, you want to start thinking about who you want to work with. If you have any questions or having a hard time coming up with somebody, please reach out to me and I help you brainstorm some people to reach out to and some ideas depending on what your interests are. Step one, what you're going to be doing, it's going to be due like you can see here. It's not due until the end of week 4, so you've got a couple weeks. Um, but you're going to be getting your mentor lined up. You'll give me the name of the facility that they work for, what your mentor's name is, their job title, and their contact information. You can find this page that I showed you right here. Just be clicking right here and it'll download. When you have that information, you'll upload it into this step one shadow box or shadow project submission box. Um, I understand that in the times that we're in with the community spread of COVID, that some people may not feel safe going out and working in the public, or a lot of the public options might not be open. For example, the K-12 schools here in the Boise area are closed right now. So if you're having a hard time with the safety issue, going out, please let me know, and we're going to make a little adjustment to the shadow project this semester, in that we'll add an option where instead of actually shadowing someone, we'll do a bit of research. And if you're interested in that option, let me know and I'll give you some more information on that moving forward. So um, that's just in case you don't feel safe going out, or places are shut down and we can't go out. It'll be the same amount of work. I'd rather you go shadow a professional. I think you'll get more out of it. Um, but the research option will be good too. You'll be doing some research on the field of your interest as well, and we'll make sure that we get that 10 hours in research as opposed to firsthand experience. Um, but if you have any questions about the shadow project, please don't hesitate to reach out. And I look forward to hearing from you and hearing who you're working with. Thank you.